Just a quick video to show the phone holder that I have. Don't know if you can see this, GUB. And it's one of these phone holders that you know, you can screw this, turn this screw here, and it changes the width of this, and you clamp your phone in place. I had to get that because this bike has this GPS in the way, and if I installed my quad lock, I bought a quad lock bar mount, and I could not get it to fit. It was just too fat for here, and I couldn't get it to work. My case has a quad lock mount to go on this bike. You see, I use quad lock on this bike. So when I'm riding this bike, if I want to put my phone here, I've got to put that case on. But when I come over to the S1000, I had to buy this additional one. The clamp works beautifully along here on the handlebar, so that's not a problem at all. And then the angle is such that it kind of matches the angle of the GPS, so I'm OCD that way. So the phone sits here, not too bad. And this is not too expensive. I'll put a link up in the description below, but great little thing. It's actually the most popular phone holder for a motorcycle on Amazon. There it is from the back. Oh, and you can turn it like that as well, you know, landscape. The way it is here, the bottom of the phone is here, and most of the phone is up here, so I couldn't turn it the other way, so I'd have to turn it landscape this way. But that's not a problem. And if you need to tighten up, if there's a little bit of wobbling there, you just tighten this screw here up and you're good to go. Very nice design. It's all metal, aluminum, so real good.